Yes.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. How's your day? Today I'm going to introduce you something special. Do you know what is that? I will give you a hint. Do you know what is that? Yeah, based on the title, you will know the name is Kue Lumpur Bakar. But before I describe about Kue Lumpur Bakar, let's buy it first. Finally, Finally, I get what I want to describe it to you. Let me tell you something. Probably some of you don't really know about this kind of cake, kue lumpur. If you are Indonesian, I believe that you know. You can imagine what kue lumpur is. But wait, I will open it for you. Yes, this is the look from Kue Lumpur. So delicious. This one is my favorite traditional food. This one is my favorite traditional snacks. Why? Because okay, start from the name. Why this name by Kue Lumpur? Because if you are Indonesian, you will know the meaning of lumpur, right? It's related with the texture of this cake, which is smooth and sticky. For every one of you who are out of Indonesia, lumpur in English is mud. So the texture is like mud and the what is that? But in here, that's why this cake kue lumpur give the name with lumpur because the texture is same with lumpur in bahasa Indonesia. The next is for all of you who what is that? Who have a belief who believe that this cake is from Indonesia is totally wrong. Why? Because actually kue lumpur is not from Indonesia, not original from Indonesia, but it's like a modify from the cake from Portuguese. Its name pastéis de nata, which is it's a kind of a custard made from milk and egg yolk. Yes, made from milk and egg yolk. And but after the Portuguese, when the Portuguese came to Indonesia, they made the Portuguese nata with the new ingredient, especially the ingredient they provided in Indonesia, such as like milk replaced by the coconut milk, and give the additional ingredients like what is that, potatoes and also pumpkins. Yes, yellow pumpkins. I have the research that some of them said the kue lumpur is popular in Betawi, but others say that it's from Sidoarjo. But this one, you will find you'll find that this is the kind of kue lumpur bakar khas Sidoarjo. Okay, so in Kudus, this is the kind of traditional cake that not really familiar here. Why? Because I don't know. It's really hard for me to find kue lumpur in Kudus in Central Java. But then how then I know about kue lumpur? Because my mother is from Kediri, East Java, and over there we can find kue lumpur easily in every event, in most of event, especially traditional event that have a religion. It's related to religion, and also it can be found in wedding celebrations. Yeah, in wedding celebrations. But these days, because of the process to make kue lumpur is simple but difficult, so because it takes too long time, so nowadays in wedding celebration it's difficult to find kue lumpur, and but you can find easily in traditional market or the store like this that sell kue lumpur or traditional snack in East Java. But in Central Java, especially in Kudus, I only find one store that sell kue lumpur bakar. Back then I said the process to make kue lumpur is simple but difficult. It's simple because the ingredients to make is it's simple because it's really easy to find around us, especially if we are in Java, such as like coconut milk and flavor, butter, sugar, and pumpkins, potatoes, and others. But the way make it difficult because the process to cook the traditional cake, the kue lumpur, is take a long time. Because the main point of kue lumpur is the texture. It should be sticky and also smooth, but it can be burned. So you have to put the first to make kue lumpur, we need the mold, okay? And the mold is same like to make appam. The mold to make kue lumpur is same with appam. I will give you the picture beside here. And after that, you can put the mold directly on the fire or on the stove. Why? Because we need to keep the heat of the fire should be steady, so it can be too hot or it can be too big or too small. We have to make it like in the middle, right there. So that's why. And also we have to wait for a long time only for cook one set of the mold. That's why it's in these days in wedding celebrations it's difficult to find this kind of kue lumpur. But after I find the store that sell kue lumpur, which is my favorite traditional snacks, I hope that every one of you at least once in your life please taste kue lumpur because it's very delicious, and I hope that you can feel the deliciousness of kue lumpur. I will wait you to taste it in kue lumpur Rabani, kue lumpur bakar khas Sidoarjo Rabani, and you can find it in Melati Lor if you are Kudus citizen. Okay, I will wait for you, but I will I will eat this first while waiting for you. See you next time. Bye bye.